welcome to our first ever virtual open house for transition and, more importantly, the start of the 2021 school year. My name is Dawn Langdon and I'm the supervisor for transition programs here in Glenbard. I'd like to start by thanking all of our parents for your continued support and adaptability as we navigate our way through these uncharted times. I speak for all the staff whenever I say your partnership and commitment is what has allowed our students to continue to grow and work towards their individual goals and outcomes. Speaking of staff, I'm going to turn this over to our staff so they can talk to you a little bit this evening about what's the year is going to look like and a little bit about themselves. So again, welcome to the start of the year, and I look forward to continuing to work with you. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Sarah Bryan. I am the Glenbard Transition Facilitator at the College of DuPage. My in-person location at the college is in the Berg Instructional Building in the College Transition Lab, room 3B03. Welcome to Open House. This is a new format, and I really hope that you find information valuable and that you will reach out to us with any questions that you have. Just to review how we are going to be working with your student this year, there are several different apps and platforms that we'll be utilizing to help your student navigate this semester at COD. The first app is Remind. This app can be downloaded for free on your phone or iPad or laptop, and that is to use for quick communications like announcements and text messages if a student needs something quickly. The next platform is Google Meet. This is another easy way. It's similar to Zoom without all the lag, and Google Meet is a great way for myself and my assistant to do weekly check-ins with your students and to see them in person, to read their body language, help them navigate through this time, and maybe even have a little social time with them to work on those skills. You could always reach us through email and phone. Those will be available on the attachment in this folder. Our goal is to support your student, and we would like to support them on several different levels, the first being their coursework and plugging them into the different opportunities and services that the College of DuPage offers. So we will be there for your student, and we will put them on the right path to utilize the services available at the college, which are also at this point virtual. As parents, please feel free to reach out to us. You can call the phone number, you can email, we can set up a Google Meet with you if you're really trying to work through something with your student. And we can also receive emails, phone numbers. I think I might have said that. If you have any questions, please ask. This is a different time. We've never been remote before for a whole semester, and that is what we're going to be doing at COD until January. All students will still have their annual review meetings, so please watch your email to receive invitations from Dawn Langdon for those meeting times. Those meetings will be virtual. I'm looking forward to working with your students this semester, and I also look forward to meeting you if I have not yet. And I hope that everything goes smoothly and our students really have a successful year at COD, and hopefully in the spring we'll be in person. Thanks so much.
Hi, everybody. My name is Justin Selby. I am the aide for the COD Transitions program. I work with Mrs. Bryan. Together we give services to the students that have been recognized to be able to do college level work, and we give them services at College of DuPage. This semester is going to look a lot different than anything we've ever seen. All of the COD classes are either through virtual meeting or through web-based videos that students can access and watch. Our program isn't going to be much different than it was before, other than we don't have the lab to physically meet with people. We do have Google Meet, and we still have Remind so that we could reach out and contact students when we see issues arise on their Blackboard, or when we want to check in with them weekly. We do Google Meets. We're available from 7:30 to 3:30 all day. Anytime a student needs us, they could shoot us a remind, and we can set up a Google Meet, and I can go into their COD Blackboard and check what's going on with what they have. I could share the screen so they could see where I'm going to find all the information, and we can also set them up with tutors through the college electronically. It's new to all of us. Luckily, I just finished my master's degree in education through an online program, so I'm pretty comfortable with doing all the work in this way, and I feel really comfortable helping these kids navigate the systems. I look forward to meeting all you parents and students. I can't wait for everybody to get back in the lab and get back to our old normal. But until then, we're going to keep things rolling and do it as best we can. Thanks, everybody.
Hi, everyone. My name is Amy LaForest, and I am the job coordinator at the College of DuPage Transition Program. I've been doing this for about 10 years now. This is going to be a very different semester. Usually I'm one-on-one with the students, but we're going to do the best we can through Remind and through Google Hangouts. And just so you know my role, I am here to guide the students. I'll know what employers are hiring, what employers are not. I can help with questions on job applications, resume writing, one-on-one through video chat interviewing. And I'm really looking forward to actually meeting all of you in person. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Erin Hoving. I'm the transition specialist for Glenbard District 87 and DRS, which is the Division of Rehabilitation Services. I am here to support students and families from their transition to adulthood. I look forward to working with all of the new families that are coming into transition and look forward to continuing to work with our current families. Welcome to the 2021 school year.